when you put up a new listing, how many texts do you end up getting from real estate agents asking you the same questions? Today we're going to set up a quick keyboard shortcut to save you hours. All right, well, let's jump right into the setup process. So let's say that you are getting dozens of phone calls from different agents asking the same questions over and over again, and you've gone through and created a note that just kind of encompasses everything that people are typically asking for. So thanks for reaching out. Here's some quick info on the property, listing price, telling them where to book showings at, some of the seller needs, 60 plus day closing, open in negotiations, an item that doesn't convey, the seller's open up seller financing, and if you have any further questions, let me know and I'll reach out. So this could save you a lot of time. If you get a call from somebody, you can send out this message, and then if they still respond to you and say, hey, I have another question, then you can field those calls. Most of the time, if you can put together this message or something similar and send that out, you're going to be answering all the questions that somebody's typically going to have anyways. So what we'll do, we're just going to go in and copy this information right here. We're going to go over to our settings, and then under General, there's going to be a keyboard option. So under there, you've got text replacement, and under text replacement, you can obviously see I've got a couple that were pre-created, but you can also just hit the plus button, top right. Under phrase, you're going to put what you actually want to be sent out when you type in the shortcut. So I'm just pasting what we had there before, and then the shortcut, just for this property, let's name it 123 short. So that's something easy I will type in, and it will pre-fill all of that information that I had saved before. So let's go to a new text message, and if we do 123 short, you'll see this option change down below where I can just click on it, and now it has created this whole message that I had before. Yes, you could just go into the note every time, copy and paste, but this will save you a whole lot of time so you don't have to worry about doing that over and over again. So now that message is there. Whoever the agent was that messaged you or reached out to you, you just type in their number there, hit send, and then if they respond to you looking to get more information, then hopefully you can follow up that conversation. But most of the people, again, you would answer their questions right off the bat. Well, I hope you learned something new in this video. Comment down below your favorite shortcut that you use with clients so we can all get better together. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next upload, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later, neighbor.